Hello students, welcome back to maths video. Class 6 ratio chapter 11 exercise 11C question number 2. So question number is 2 is divide 72 into ratios 2 1 by 2 is to 1, 2 integer 1 by 2 is to 1 integer 1 by 2. Okay, so don't worry after seeing this fractions in between. So no issues. Convert it into fractional form. Convert it into mixed. These are in mixed. Convert into improper. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2 is 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Okay. So you know that A is to B. This we have learned previously. A is to B. I can write A by B. Right. So 5 by 2 is to 3 by 2. A, if we consider this A and this B, I can write A by B. So 5 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. How we have written here A by B? Similarly 5 by 2 upon A by 2. Or 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. This or this. And when you know that last year we have learned that when we multiply, when we divide in fractions, so 5 by 2, this division becomes multiplication and 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. So 5 ones are 5 and 3 ones are 3. So ratio I have got 5 is to 3. So this has been turned into pure ratio form. Okay. And after that, then it's very easy. You know what has to be done. You have to take its total. Ratio is 5 is to 3. Take total of it. Total is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So first part, I have to take first part. First part is 5. Out total is 8. So out of 8, 5 multiplied by 72. Why I have taken 72? Because 72 has to be divided. So 5 by 8 multiplied by 72. 5 is the first term upon total multiplied by the amount which we have to divide or the number which we have to divide. So 8 9s are 72, 5 9s are 45. So 3 by 8 8 9s are 72, 3 9s are 27. Okay, second part it is. So now I have 45 and 27. If I add, I should get 72. Please check whether we are getting 72 or not. So 45 plus 27 should give us 72 because 72 we have divided into 2 ratio. So one has got 5 parts, another has got 3 parts of it. Okay. So please go through it. Now next question, if we'll see question number 4. Question number 4 is also same type. Divide rupees 10,400 among ABC in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Okay, so here that's image is coming very blurred. So I have to switch on here. So divide rupees 10,400, that is amount, into three parts, that into A, B, C. A's share is 1 by 2, B's share is 1 by 3 and C's share is 1 by 4. So ratio we have is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. We have seen, children, in last exercise, thus if we get this type of ratio, what we have to do is we have to first find out its LCM of the denominator. So to LCM of 2, 3, 4 I have done here. You can go through it. LCM is 12. Okay. So if you get such type of situation, you will say why we have not done here. You can do here also, no issues, but this was the easy part, so I have taken it like this. Here also you can use LCM method. Alright, no issues. So 1, 2, 3, 3 ratios are given. I have removed its LCM of the denominators 2, 3 and 4. So LCM of 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. I think this is little confusion, children. This was correct. Okay. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. Disturbances are there. Can't help. Okay. So same method. ABC. A is to B is to C. Half. First part 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 12 is to 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 is to 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. This is the usual method which we have learnt before also, children. So please take care. So A is to 1 by 2 multiplied by 12 is to 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 is to 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. So 2 ones are 2 six are, 3 ones are 3 fours are, and 4 ones are 4 threes are. So 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4, and 1 3s are 3. So we have 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is the usual ratio which we have got. Our actual question is left total. Now we have got the proper ratio. Now we will find out ratio total. So total is 6 plus 4 plus 3 13. A's share is out of 13. Total is 13. So out of 13 6. Why 6? Because A is written first. So A's share is 6. B 4 and C 3. So 6 upon 13 multiplied by rupees 10,400, because this has to be divided into 3 into ABC. So 13 8s are 104 and this 0 and this 0. So 800. So 6 8s are 4800. Okay. So B's share, second part 4 upon 13, total is 13. Out of 13 B's share is 4. So 4 by 13 multiplied by 10,400. 13 8s are 104, 0 0, 4 8s are 32. And this 0 0 comes here. So rupees 3200. So C's share, you can see 3 by 13 multiplied by rupees 10400. Sorry, 10,400. 13 8s are 104, 0 0, 3 8s are 2400. So this is just a check which is not required. This is just for your understanding. If you add all the three numbers, all the three amounts, for first A's share is 4800, B's share is 3200 and C's share is 2400. So if you add it, you should get this amount. This amount, that is 10,400. If you are getting, means your answer is right. Okay, and question number 5 is homework. So I hope you are understanding, and if it is faster, please let me know. Only you should know, you have to solve exercise 11A and 11B. At least you have to go through the sums, because here LCM is involved. Why I have multiplied, everything you know very clearly. Okay, take care and thank you so much.